This also means that businesses will need to invest in acquiring and developing mathematical talent to fully utilize these technologies. Discussion. The next frontier in business mathematics. Reflect on emerging trends and technologies. Which do you think will have the most significant impact on business strategies, and how can mathematical principles be applied to harness these innovations? There are many trends and technologies that are emerging and have the potential to significantly impact business strategies in the future. As a mathematician or someone interested in the role of mathematics in business, it is important to stay abreast of these developments and understand how mathematical principles can be applied to harness and leverage these innovations. One of the key emerging trends in the business world is the widespread adoption and integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, technologies. With the exponential growth of data and the increasing need for data-driven decision-making, AI and ML have become critical tools for businesses to gain insights, automate processes, and improve efficiency. Mathematical principles such as statistics, probability, and optimization play a vital role in the development and application of these technologies. For example, mathematical models are used to train and optimize AI algorithms, and statistical methods are used to extract meaningful insights from large datasets. Businesses that can effectively harness the power of AI and ML will have a significant competitive advantage, and mathematical expertise will be crucial in this endeavor. Another emerging technology with a potential impact on business strategies is blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that enables the secure and transparent recording of transactions and data. Its potential applications in areas such as supply chain management, finance, and contracts are vast, and businesses are starting to explore its potential. Mathematical concepts such as cryptography and game theory are at the core of blockchain technology, and their understanding is crucial for its application and implementation. For companies looking to leverage blockchain, having a strong understanding of these mathematical principles will be a significant advantage. The rise of big data and the increasing availability of data from various sources also present opportunities and challenges for businesses. On one hand, the abundance of data provides businesses with a wealth of information to make data-driven decisions. On the other hand, managing and analyzing large and complex datasets can be daunting without the use of mathematical tools and techniques. Mathematical fields such as data mining, machine learning, and analytics are crucial for businesses to extract valuable insights from large datasets. As such, data science and analytics skills are in high demand, and businesses that have a strong mathematical foundation will be better equipped to navigate the era of big data. Finally, the ongoing digitization of various industries and the continued advances in technology are creating a highly interconnected and global business environment. This has led to the need for businesses to be more agile and adaptable to change. The principles of mathematics, specifically modeling and simulation, can be applied to predict and evaluate various scenarios and their potential impact on business strategies. This allows businesses to make more informed decisions, minimize risks, and improve their overall performance. The strategic mathematician. Beyond numbers. Mathematics in business is not just about solving problems, it's about asking the right questions. As strategic mathematicians, your role transcends computation. It involves insight, intuition, and innovation. As a strategic mathematician, your focus is not solely on numbers and calculations but rather on using mathematics as a tool to understand and improve business strategies. You are able to approach problems analytically and creatively, finding patterns and making connections that others may overlook. Your strategic mindset allows you to see the bigger picture and understand how different factors, such as market trends and consumer behavior, can impact a company's success. You are able to use mathematical models and data analysis to make informed decisions and anticipate potential roadblocks. In addition to your strong mathematical skills, you also possess strong communication and collaboration abilities. You are able to effectively communicate complex data and findings to non-technical stakeholders and work with cross-functional teams to implement solutions based on your insights. Creativity is a crucial attribute for a strategic mathematician, as you are constantly seeking new and innovative ways to solve problems and improve processes. You are not constrained by conventional approaches and are prepared to think creatively in order to identify the best answers. You are also able to adapt to change and think on your feet. In a fast-paced business environment, you must be able to quickly analyze new data and adjust strategies accordingly. As a strategic mathematician, you are a valuable asset to any business. Your unique perspective and skills allow you to make a significant impact on the success and growth of a company. Using a hypothetical business or a real-world company, develop a strategic plan that incorporates mathematical analysis across different business functions. Summarize the key points covered in the workshop and emphasize the importance of incorporating mathematical analysis in all aspects of business. Encourage participants to continue refining their strategic business plan using the tools and frameworks provided. Additional tips. Encourage active participation from all participants by asking for their suggestions and incorporating them into the plan. Provide real-life examples of successful businesses that have utilized mathematical analysis in their strategic planning. Allocate more time for each step if needed, depending on the complexity of the business. Reflection and forward motion. As our formal lessons conclude, your journey is just beginning. Reflect on your growth and consider how you will carry forward these mathematical insights into your future endeavors, academic or professional. As I look back on my time in this course, I am amazed by how much I have grown in my understanding and application of mathematical concepts. From learning new techniques in algebra and geometry to diving deeper into calculus and statistics, my mathematical skills have expanded significantly. One of the most valuable lessons I will take away from this course is the importance of technical thinking and problem solving. In every mathematical problem we encountered, there were multiple ways to approach and solve it. This has taught me to approach challenges and problems from different angles and to think outside the box. This skill will undoubtedly be useful in all areas of my life, whether it be in my future academic pursuits or in my professional career. I have also learned the importance of perseverance and resilience when it comes to mathematics. There were times when I faced challenging problems or concepts that seemed daunting at first. However, with determination and hard work, I was able to overcome them and gain a better understanding of the material. This lesson will undoubtedly serve me well in my future academic studies, where I will undoubtedly encounter difficult challenges and obstacles. Looking forward, I am excited to see how I can apply the knowledge and skills I have gained from this course in my future academic and professional endeavors. Whether it be in fields directly related to mathematics or in other disciplines, I am confident that the critical thinking, problem-solving, and perseverance skills I have developed will be valuable assets. Furthermore, this course has also helped me understand the relevance and applicability of mathematics in our daily lives. From analyzing data and statistics to understanding the principles of geometry in the real world, I now have a deeper appreciation for the role that mathematics plays in our society. I am excited to continue exploring this connection between mathematics and the world around us. In conclusion, my journey through this course has been challenging yet incredibly rewarding. I am grateful for the skills and knowledge I have gained and am confident that I will carry them forward in all facets of my life. As I move forward, I will continue to reflect on my growth and use these mathematical insights to fuel my future endeavors. Final assignment: Strategic Business Proposal. Craft a comprehensive business proposal for a startup idea or an existing business challenge. Incorporate financial calculations, operational models, market analyses, and strategic frameworks. This is your chance to shine, to apply your learning, and to envision the future through the lens of mathematical rigor and strategic thought. In conclusion, using a combination of these mathematical principles and strategies, the company can optimize their media spend and increase their marketing ROI. By understanding the financial implications and leveraging data-driven insights, the company can make informed decisions that will lead to a more successful and profitable marketing strategy. The future of mathematics in business is bright and full of potential. With the integration of blockchain technology and the emergence of quantum computing, businesses will have access to more secure, efficient, and accurate systems. Mathematics will play a critical role in enabling these advancements and redefining how businesses operate in the future. The next frontier in business mathematics is the ability to utilize emerging trends and technologies to drive innovation and create value. Businesses that can effectively harness the power of AI, blockchain, big data, and other emerging technologies will have a major advantage in the marketplace. Mathematical principles and skills will be crucial for this, from the development and application of these technologies to the analysis of data and the prediction of future trends. As such, it is essential for businesses to recognize the importance of mathematics in today's rapidly evolving business landscape and invest in acquiring and developing mathematical expertise.